sis? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing my fall skincare routine. I'm going to say fall/winter because I'm really going to be packing on the moisture in today's video. This is also going to be my updated skincare routine because you guys really did enjoy and do enjoy whenever I speak about my hyperpigmentation on my channel, and this is what I'm going to be doing now that most of my dark marks have faded. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys what I'm doing now for my current dark marks. So if you are interested in all of that info, keep on watching today's video. And I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how I really get my skin super moisturized. If you are new to your channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you over here. This channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, natural hair, vlogs. So if you like that, you will love this. So let's go ahead and hop right on into my fall moisturized, hydrated skincare routine. If you guys do watch my vlogs, then you know that as of lately I have been having so many issues with my skin. I chemically burn my skin. I got so much dark hyperpigmentation on my face in certain areas, and my skin was just extremely dry. So all of that I had to recoup, and now my skin is basically kind of back on the right track for the most part. Clearly I have on makeup right now from earlier in the day, so we're going to be washing, and to wash I will be using the Pharmacy Green Clean. This right here is my all-time, well, my second favorite, top two favorites, okay? For removing my makeup, I like to scoop a good amount out, massage it onto my hands, and then massage it into my skin, and you can just see all of that makeup melting away. It even lifts off all of my mascara, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this and then continue massaging, and it turns white. So I always double cleanse my skin just to make sure I get all of my makeup and the dirt off my face. And for cleansing, I'm going to be using my FOREO Luna 4. FOREO is sponsoring this part of today's video, and I am so excited to be sharing information with you guys about this device. So this is the Luna 4, which is great for cleansing and massaging your skin. And the cool thing about FOREO is that all of the cleansing or treatments are powered by your phone. So you have to download the FOREO app, and there's instructions on here for every single treatment or cleansing mode that you decide to do. This one in particular has a cleansing mode and a massage mode. So this side is for cleansing, and then this side is going to be for massaging. So for cleansing, I'm going to be using the FOREO Microfoam Cleanser, and I'm going to just wet my face first so it's turned into a nice foam. Make sure it's nice and foamed up. Then we're going to wet the device, and on my phone, I'm going to hit Start Cleansing and press Start. So it's telling me to start at the top of my face. And this also makes sure that you get the 60 seconds of cleanse that you're supposed to get when you wash your face. It's a rule that you should wash your face for at least 1 minute to make sure that you're lifting up all of the dirt. So then I'm going to move on to this side. It just now vibrated and told me to move on to this side of my face, the bottom, and then this side. Y'all hear that? And just that quick, the entire treatment in 60 seconds is up. Then you just rinse it off with soap and water. And my face feels so soft after using the device. So I will have the Luna 4 link down below in the description box, and we're also going to use it again later on in our routine for the massage side of the tool. So now that my face is nice and clean, feeling so good, I'm going to be going in with my toner. For the most part, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Toner. This is just my preference because I like that this toner is very gentle on the skin. Ever since I kind of like my skin was acting up, I just really wanted to not use an exfoliating toner anymore. I just wanted something that was gentle and that would give my skin a glow and moisture, and that's exactly what this Charlotte Tilbury Glow Toner does. I personally like to apply it on a cotton pad. I don't know if that's right or not. And then put it on my face and then rub it on in with my cotton pad. And I've been using this for like a month, and I haven't seen any type of changes to my skin in a bad way, and no irritation as well. I'm gonna go in with my lip treatment, and this is the Tatcha lip mask. I just never like having dry lips, it's just, I'm just not a fan. Now after toning is when I go in with my serums. Also, you guys, I want to mention that I do like to use masks on my face as well, and I really have been liking the FOREO UFO. This is another one of FOREO's products, and basically you lift up this ring right here and you place the mask in the inside, and then you also can do different treatments on your face, and it also has a heating sensation, which felt so good whenever I do it. So I also want to mention that I'm not going to do a hydrating mask tonight, but I typically do like to do one since it is for the fall time. I just did one last night, which is why I'm not doing it tonight. I will be doing one tomorrow night for sure. Now I'm going to be going in with my serum. This is the You to the People Triple Peptide and Cactus Oasis Serum. This is my second bottle, y'all, because it's just that good. It's very, very loose in texture, but when I tell you, it is really, really powerful. I love You to the People's products. And although it's loose, one thing I really like is that it does not leave my skin feeling like I put on a thin layer of product. Like, it's still very, very hydrating, and it has that triple peptide in it as well. Now, since it is the fall month, I like to bulk up on moisture, okay? Like, I don't play when it comes to moisture because I know that my skin barrier needs so much moisture. And I have oily skin, which means that my skin does need more moisture. I know it sounds like it'll be the opposite, but it's not. So I do like to go in with another hydrating serum. This is the Beauty Pie Triple Hyaluronic Acid Lipopeptide Serum. So it has 3 types of hyaluronic acid included in this formula, which gives you so much moisture. And of course, if I'm not using this one, I am using my Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Y'all already know this is my go-to for moisture and hydration, but I do like to switch it up every now and again, and you know, just so my skin is not used to just one product. So I'm gonna apply a few pumps to my hand and then rub that on to my face. So hydrating. And don't forget your forehead, okay? So now that my skin is very hydrated, I'm now gonna go in with my FOREO Luna 4 again. And this time I'm gonna be using the massage side of the device. You typically would like to apply a FOREO serum on your face first and then go in with this. And then on the phone, it's basically going to tell you all the different types of massages that you can get. So there's a lymphatic drainage massage, a deep tissue massage, a trigger point massage, a shiatsu, I think that's how it's pronounced, massage, and a reflexology massage. Now let me see, which one do I want? Ooh, I think I'm gonna do the deep tissue. Yeah, deep tissue, okay. And then you can also select your intensity as well. It's gonna tell you to start massage. Let's hit start, and then, ooh. Ooh. This is what I call self-care. And this one is good for cheeks and above your jawline. My skin feels so just, I love those tools. It's the perfect addition to your self-care. Okay, so now we're gonna continue with our serums and moisturizers. So you guys know that I do have hyperpigmentation, so that's when I like to go in with my ascorbic acid. Now I also use retinols on my skin just to help with my overall appearance of my skin, my fine lines, all that kind of stuff, but I do not use ascorbic acid and retinol at the same time. I typically use my retinols at night and my ascorbic acid in the morning, but honestly I've been laying back off the retinols because I've been very focused on removing that hyperpigmentation on my face, and I've been using this twice a day. I applied this to my problem areas, which is right here, right above this eyebrow. Oh, oh my gosh, now I drop it in my eye. Oh my gosh, an acid just dropped in my eye. Okay, hopefully I got it out. And then on top of this eyebrow, I'm not even sure what happened to where I got dark marks on top of both of my eyebrows, but it happened. Put a little bit on my eyelid because I have dryness and so much darkness on this eyelid only. I don't even know why, and I only put a little so it does not run. And then I have some dark spots on this side of my face, so I put it right here. And I have a little bit right here. And then lastly, I have one little spot on my neck. So I typically let this sit for about 25 to 30 minutes just so it could soak into my skin. I know it's a long time, but that's really just the best way to use ascorbic acid. And it really does work if you're consistent with it. Now while that's sitting up here, I'm going to go in with some eye cream. And I've been using the Paula's Choice C5 Super Boost Eye Cream. This one is really, really good. It's also a vitamin C eye cream. So I apply a little bit onto my finger and rub it on into my eye. Very gentle. And then do the same thing on this side. Let me tell you, with this routine, your skin from the face to the eyelids to the under the eye to the lips is gonna be hydrated, okay? All fall, all winter. Now while that's sitting, let me just go ahead and share with you guys my last few steps of my skincare routine. So typically next I would go in with my moisturizer. And baby, I have been loving the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. And I know the price point is kind of up there, but I'm not even gonna lie to you, she's worth it, okay? I am obsessed with this product. It is so, so good, and it really does a great job with hydrating your skin and not being a greasy type of formula. And I love to use this at nighttime and in the morning. But at nighttime, for sure, if your skin is extra dry, you want to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream. This one has more of a greasy, slugging type of formula, so you don't want to use too much of it, and it will like be kind of sitting on your skin, but once you wake up in the morning, it literally soaks right on into your skin. And this is perfect if your skin is more on the drier side. I highly, highly, highly recommend the Magic Night Cream. And I know the price point's a little expensive, I know, but I did also give you guys an alternative in my vlog. So let me also tell y'all about that right now. So this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask. Very similar, kind of similar in texture. It's most definitely a slugging material. It's not as thick as a night cream, but it is really, really good for making sure that you wake up with hydrated skin and kind of being like an extra layer that seeps into your skin overnight, and a fraction of the cost. And then lastly, after I apply my cream, this is a fall winter routine, okay? And I really only use this product in those months, and that is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Now this is the last product that I'm going to be showing you guys, okay? So don't worry, no more after this. This is amazing for adding an extra layer of moisture to your skin. If you don't even want to purchase the Magic Night Cream and just go with the Magic Cream and then this on top to slug, that will also get you there. It also has a slugging type of texture, so this one is also a fraction of the cost, and I really am a fan of this product. So I'm going to go in with the Magic Cream right now, and as y'all can see, it's like a thicker cream, so perfect for the winter time, the fall time. And guys, I know it's a good amount of products that I use, but you don't have to use this many products. I do what works for my skin, and I like to use a lot of products because I like to make sure my skin is extra hydrated. And then lastly, the Water Sleeping Mask. I think I used too much. So it's been about 5 minutes, and as you guys can see with my skin, it is not super oily as it was earlier. All the product has really like soaked into my skin, so don't worry, and my skin literally absorbs everything, especially by the morning time. So that does conclude my entire skincare routine for the fall winter months. and my skin is so hydrated. I love these products. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the entire process, and shout out to FOREO for sponsoring that portion of today's video. Also, make sure to pick up your FOREO Luna 4. I'll leave all the info in the description box below, so you guys can most definitely go pick her up, because she is ideal, okay, for making sure, for one, your skin gets cleansed for those 60 seconds and for two, giving you massage skin with different types of treatment, that whole luxury vibe, because you deserve, sis or bro. Okay, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful whatsoever, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video / vloggy vlog. Peace.